Welcome to Chibuzor Mathphysics and happy Easter to all of us. As we go back to our examination, Chibuzor Mathphysics wishes you all the best. May God grant all our effort with success, but don't forget to go back to your book. So in today's video, we are looking at quantum mechanics or quantum physics, and this would be a kind of summary of what you are expected to do during your exams in this unit. So let's start with the Pauli exclusion principle, and after that we shall also go to the uncertainty principle. But in quantum mechanics, it is actually a kind of theory. It gives us a fundamental theory in physics that provides a description of physical properties of nature at the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. So we are going to study the movement, the concept, and the conceptual understanding of an atom in the nucleus. And this is exactly what this quantum physics, quantum mechanics are all about. So let's start with the uncertainty principles, and that will prepare us as we go into computations in this unit. Stay tuned and enjoy. I remain your friend Augustine Galagash. So what is the uncertainty principle? That is the question one. We are to state the uncertainty principle. The uncertainty principle states that we cannot know both the energy and the position of an electron. That is exactly what the uncertainty principle states. So let's have that down. So this is exactly what the principle of uncertainty states. It states that we cannot know both the energy and the position of an electron. And what of the Pauli exclusion principle? The Pauli exclusion principle states that in a single atom, there is no two electrons. No two electrons will have identical sets. Or let's say it is same identical set or the same quantum numbers. So this is exactly what the Pauli exclusion principle states. It is stated that in a single atom, no two electrons will have identical set or the same quantum numbers. And this is very important for us to really understand how this atom work and its relevance to our day-to-day life. As we go into the application of these in the real life, you will understand why it is impossible for two electrons to have identical set or same quantum numbers in a single atom. And that is exactly what the Pauli exclusion principle explains. So now we've covered the Pauli exclusion principle and the uncertainty principle, which states that we cannot know both the energy and the position of an electron. So let's now continue with question number 3, which is the computations on how to calculate the energy of the